All right, guys, Finger 10 sent us some new golfing gloves. So we got the simulator here. It is finally beautiful enough to be back at it, so we were making it happen. Let's go ahead and check these guys out. They are consistently soft feel, breathable, durable, enhanced all-weather grip, perfect fit in daily practice, and extra value because you get two of them because it's a two-pack. So let's go ahead and see what we're working with here. They sent us a pretty cool colorway, American flags. Guys, let's see what we are working with. Oh, man, look at these things. Look at these things. That American flag view. So let's go ahead and open one up. I got small hands. I like a tight fitting glove. So let's go ahead and get close so we can see what it is. Okay, checking that out. Right there, you have some nice extra padding right here. And let's see if we have a good fit. And just like that, that is a solid fit right there. Also, if I'm not mistaken, check that out. Got a little American flag ball marker as well. You have very good movement in the hand. So you're not going to have any constriction on any of that. But the true test at Finger 10 is going to be actually hitting a shot. So let's go ahead and make that happen. So here we go. We got a little pitch and wedge. Get that out of the way. And let's see if we can take an actual shot here and see how it feels on the hand itself. So again, nice and consistent feel. Let's go ahead and take a grip it and rip it shot. And just like that, that feels really good. Like very solid grip around it. I'm used to some different types of gloves, and I've tried a whole bunch out. So at the end of the day, when you are working, you want to find something that is going to be a proper fit for you. And as we're here, this is a good fit. So medium, could have gone with a large, but this is kind of the perfect fit on the hand. And obviously with the two-pack aspect, guys, you were getting all kinds of value with a solid quality aspect there. So guys, at the end of the day, Finger 10, check out that cool colorway, American flag. Check it out.